So I discussing some important questions regarding electrical interview questions. First question is, what is power factor? Power factor is the ratio of working power measured in kilowatt to apparent in kilovolt ampere. Apparent power is known as demand. The ideal power factor is unity. So I think this question is not sufficient. I think the question should be the cosine angle between the cosine angle between current and voltage is called power factor in 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 easy language. What do you want to keep power factor 1? How you want to keep power factor 1? It because the load with the power factor 1 unity result in most efficient loading of the supply. Most efficient loading of the supply. It is because the load with the power factor unity result in most efficient loading of the supply. These are required are used to power factor improvement, static capacitor, synchronous condenser, and phase advancer. What are the difference between electrical and electronics engineering? There are various ways that you can express or define electrical and electronics engineering. By I would define it as electrical engineering is the study of behavior of electrical charge carriers in conductor. There is only one charge carrier and it is an electron. All the electrical circuit functioning goes involve the movement of electrons only. Electronics engineering is the study of the behavior of electrical charge carriers in semiconductor. There are two charge carriers in semiconductor, named electron and hole. Electron is a negative charge carrier and hole is a positive charge carrier. All the electron circuits functioning holes include the movement of both those charges carriers and electric currents are designed to process, module, and transmit and and demonstrate and inform the raw signal in converted to electrical signal like voltage circuits. What is difference between battery and a capacitor? A battery or capacitor is both energy storage element. A battery or a capacitor is both energy storage element, but they are intent very different. The event table difference between they you can read now. Battery restore energy in form of chemical energy, or capacitor restore energy in form of electric field. Best battery in energy design density, which means you would store more energy put volume. Battery is a active component. Our capacitor is passive component. Active component. What is difference between real ground and virtual ground? Star Delta connection. The terminal of three branches common point, the known is star connected, and the three branches of the network are delta connection. What is difference between AC and DC resistance? AC resistance. In simple word, resistance in AC circuit is lead impedance or overall resistance. Inductives or resistance is always more than DC resistance. Current distribution is non-uniform way. The conductor cross-section area is given. What happens if I connect a capacitor to a generator load? Connection a capacitor across a generator always improve power factor, but it will be depends. So today's is class is over.